2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the USB aux port replacement. Best thing to do is get a interior pry bar tool, this little plastic pry bar, and we're gonna go ahead with the pry bar like this. We're gonna go in the bottom and just kind of one shot it, push this in, and then kind of prop it back so it'll pop this out. And then once you get it out, you kind of gently pull it forward. Don't yank it because the wire is kind of short. There's a connector with a thumb tab right here. You're gonna push the thumb tab and release this. Try to let the connector sit on that little inner ridge right there because it'll get sucked into the dashboard if you don't. Here's the part number right here, 86190-0C020. So if I go on a Toyota parts website, I could find this. Here's the part number, 85 bucks. Unfortunately, it's not available on Amazon right now, but I will link it when it becomes available on Amazon. So you can just get it from a Toyota parts dealer. Here's all the different models that it could fit. But yours might be a different part number, so look on yours and then see. I always look on Amazon first. When you get your new one, you're just gonna line it up with this connector, very carefully push it in place. You gotta make sure it really clicks in because it'll kind of feel like it is, but it's not really. So make sure it's clicked in. Once it is, then you can just kind of line this guy up back in his little port right here and just push him into place. And then boom, you're done. That's it, guys.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it, and then at checkout you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.